How do pop-up coffee stands create Instagram-worthy drinks? They create colorful, layered, carefully decorated drinks that look attractive in photos while still tasting balanced. Pop-up coffee stands begin with a clear visual idea, such as bright fruit, creamy foam, or a strong contrast between dark coffee and pale milk. They often use transparent cups so customers can see layers made from syrup, milk, espresso, and ice. A useful trick is pouring ingredients slowly over the back of a spoon, which helps separate layers instead of mixing them immediately. Natural colors from matcha, beetroot, butterfly pea flower, berries, or citrus can make a drink stand out without relying only on artificial coloring. Baristas also pay attention to texture by adding cold foam, whipped cream, dried fruit, flowers, spices, or finely grated chocolate. The topping should connect to the flavor because decoration that tastes strange can disappoint customers. Many stands design drinks around one main color and one contrasting color, since simple color combinations are easier to recognize in a photograph. They also serve the drink in a clean cup with a neat logo, then place it near natural light so the colors look bright and true. To make this actionable, choose one base drink, add one colorful ingredient, create one visible layer, and finish with one edible topping before testing how it looks from several angles. A common mistake is adding too many colors or toppings, which makes the drink look messy, so keep the design simple and repeatable. Another mistake is using thick ingredients that sink or float unpredictably, so test each recipe several times and adjust its thickness with ice, milk, or syrup. Some people think an attractive drink must be extremely sweet, but balanced flavors encourage customers to buy it again. So taste every new recipe before selling it. Also, do not ignore melting ice, because a beautiful layered drink can lose its appearance quickly. Serve it cold and photograph it soon after preparation. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.